With a workbook or individual worksheet, you may need some help locating specific text, formulas, formatted text, and more. You can search across a worksheet or workbook by clicking on Find and Select on the Home tab and choosing Find. By Find What, enter the search criteria. You can choose the Formatting drop-down menu to begin to narrow your search to a certain number format criteria. You can choose whether you'd like to search within just the active sheet or the entire workbook. Using the Find All option, you can see a clickable list of all of the appearances of that string of text, formula, etc. Once you locate the reference or string, you can click on the Replace tab to make changes to one or multiple or all instances of the criteria that you searched for. Next to Replaced With, enter the new text string, formula, value, etc. Then choose Replace to replace the next occurrence, or Replace All to replace all occurrences. You can use the Go To dialog box to locate and navigate to a specific type of element, such as a cell, named range, table, or chart. In addition, you can use the Go To Special dialog box to locate and navigate to comments, formulas, blank cells, objects, conditional formatting, and more. To move your focus to a named cell, range, or element, you can click on the Home tab, click on Find and Select in the editing group, and choose Go To. Or you can get there faster by pressing Ctrl-G. Type in search criteria such as the cell reference, the name of the range, or the name of the table and click OK.